今日拉斯维加斯一间旅馆启用 AI 机器人，会当来接待人客，也会当开讲报道，咱做回来看卖。
Welcome to Autonomous, the first truly AI-powered hotel.
伫咧博缴出名的城市拉斯维加斯有一间旅馆，用真型机器人迎接人客。
Call them a concierge, but we want it to be much more than a concierge. We want it to be your best friend, right? Understanding everything about you.
这个合作Auto的机器人会当讲超过50种语言。旅馆的创办人表示，为订房间、清房间、囡仔的数量，一直到你介意什么款的咖啡，伫你大入去了后，碰到大细项代志，Auto 都会当家己斗3工，甚至提上报道卖使。
Otto, what is the weather going to be in Las Vegas tonight?
With a good dose of humidity at 74%. As evening rolls in, I'd guess we'll see it get a bit cooler.
旅馆的主人讲，假使你和你的女伴册心情郁卒，麦当甲Auto透心事，也若博缴城市当地有啥物好看的秀，Auto麦当甲你分享。
Who do you prefer? Is it J-Lo that's having a show in Vegas right now, or Shakira? Which one is you prefer?
Oh, that's a spicy dilemma. J-Lo's got that show-stopping glamour, a full Vegas spectacle, sequins for days.
人工智慧长时行会当深度思考学习的人形机器人，已经会当做旅馆接待各种任务，让旅客足享受。当人类拄到人较欠缺的时阵，人工机器人有影是上好的伴。公视新闻曾回斌编译。